only for girls. This video is a series of girls talk, and every month one special video will be dedicated to this series. So in today's video, we will talk about dating tips every girl should know. These tips will help you to grow your relationship and will also help you in your personal growth as a human being. So let's go. Number 1. To be a high value woman. The formula to be a high value woman is to master 3 things: challenge plus femininity plus self-love. Until you master these 3 things, you are not a high value woman. The journey to be a high value woman is not easy, but it's worth it. Number 2. Never allow them to take you as guaranteed. Girls, I know you love your man, but that doesn't mean giving him allowance to do whatever he wants. He should always know because of his actions he might lose you. The fear of losing you should always be there in his mind. Number 3. If he shows you he is not that into you, believe him. I have seen many of you giving excuses like he's just busy, that's why he's not giving you time. Girls, remember 2 things about men. If he wants, he will. If he doesn't, he won't. If he didn't invite you, he didn't want to see you. If he didn't call you, he didn't want to talk to you. If he didn't ask you to be his girlfriend, he didn't want a relationship with you. If he didn't ask you to be his wife, he didn't want you to be his wife. It's really that simple. A man is never too busy for the woman he really wants. If he wants to see you, he will find a way. If he doesn't, he will find an excuse. You just have to accept things what they are and act accordingly. Stop ignoring red flags because you like them so much. Number 4. Paying the bills is up to your choice. You are living with a guy you think is your man, but he's really not your man if you are splitting the bills with him like you would be a roommate. This is roommateship. Splitting the bills 50-50 every time is a roommateship, not a relationship. Girls, it's up to you what you want. You want to pay the bills or you don't want to pay the bills. It's totally your choice. You just don't have to settle for anything less than what you want. There are more than 100 million men on the planet, and you think the one who can't even meet your standards is the best one you could get. When bills are simply paid with love, that's when you can start choosing a man based out of love. Number 5. Be yourself, love yourself, and invest in yourself. Girls, be yourself. It means living life how you want to live it, regardless of others' people's opinion. It means you respect yourself and don't worry about what other things yourself. The more you love yourself, the less nonsense you will tolerate. People will treat you the way you allow them to. People will take you as serious as your boundaries, your standards, your femininity, your self-esteem, your self-respect. Give him time to prove that he is serious about you before jumping into the wifey mode. Till then, invest in yourself, improve yourself. Find your hobbies, eat your badams, green veggies, do your workout, spend time for yourself. Love yourself as passionately as the men you date. Maybe they would love you the same, if not more. Everyone, I hope that you loved the video. Do let me know your views in the comment section below. And please do like, subscribe and comment. And press the bell icon for notifications. Thank you.